Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix community standards on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Here, tap on this messenger icon from your top right corner. When you try to send someone a message, you will receive the specific prompt that you cannot send messages for a specific amount of days due to something that you went against on the Facebook community standards. So to solve this problem, close the Facebook app and open your web browser. Here, search for Facebook Community Standards. Tap to open this first link. Now go ahead and read all these Facebook Community Standards and view them to know if you have violated their community standards. If you did that, you just need to wait until the ban is uplifted. After that specific time, you'll be able to use Facebook Messenger again. But if you have violated any of these standards, then close the web browser and open the Facebook Messenger application. Here, tap on the menu. Now, go to Settings by tapping here. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Continue with Report Anyway. Tap on the Include button and you'll be taken here. Here, briefly explain that you haven't violated any of the community standards, but still your account got banned, and you just want it to be unbanned. After that, the Facebook team will contact you back to resolve this issue. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.